Eto mga idol, grabe talaga. Oh, walang takot itong sinabihan. Itong ibang congressman na kung saan mga idol dapat daw talaga, no? Talagang ipapakita ang kanilang mga reports. Hindi yung kung baga hanggang salita lamang mga idol. Dito kay Pinas News mga idol, panoorin natin.
Ano yung binawas at ano yung dinagdag? So bakit hindi po natin magawa yun? Di ba 7,000 pages, babasahin natin isa-isa tapos hahanapin natin alin yung tumaas, alin yung bumaba.
Noted on that, we will take that into consideration as we move forward with the reforms. The Honorable Toby Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, initiative, errata, for the boys SOP. So ang initiative at errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec. Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa small committee. So I would like to ask the Chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025. Wait, bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko? Hindi naman kasama yung sagot.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is of public record. This is in accordance with our rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi na that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
This representation was not the Appropriations Chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was
No,
not the
let's ask the
Appropriations
committee
Chair.
Let's ask
at
the
the
committee
time.
secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report?